Hello everyone, welcome back to Trade Leader Institute. Let us analyze our Nifty and Bank Nifty performance on Friday and let us have a quick glance towards the next week. So Bank Nifty and Nifty both closed positive on Friday. So Nifty closed at 0.44% positive and Bank Nifty closed at 1.54% positive. So both closed towards the high of the day. So coming to advance decline ratio, so 1068 stocks were advanced and 900 stocks were declined. So and coming to FII and DI data, DIs have bought 1832 crores and FIIs have sold 678 crores. So keeping this in mind, let us quickly analyze our target also for last week. So we easily achieved two targets on Friday. So how the performance was like, the data opened in the green mode and it retested till the our long stop. So it exactly took the support from our stop loss price and it moved in the long side direction and we easily achieved our two targets. And Nifty closed at 15,860 and opened at 15,844. So because of the poor performance of Reliance, Nifty did not move very much high. According to the Bank Nifty performance, Nifty did not move well on Friday. So we will keep this hidden. So for in daily chart, we'll see where the Nifty is standing. So Nifty is closing at 15,860, that is above 15,850. So our next upper side level will be 15,900 as we know already. So that was the lifetime high, right? So Nifty, the downside levels we can see is low of this candle, that is 15,774, that is equal to 15,800. Can we make it as 15,800? Yes, we can make it as 15,800. The upper side level will be of course 15,900. We are exactly here. Okay, keeping this in mind, so 1% above is also 16,000, we will easily touch. Downside 1% also, it will be 15,700. So 15,700 to 16,000. 16,000 easily we can touch with the 0.5%. 2 days if it is 0.5% upside also we can easily touch 16,000. So coming to Bank Nifty, this level is whatever 37,705 is the lifetime high for Bank Nifty. So we are standing at 35,364. 35,364. So Bank Nifty again took the reversal at 35,500, right? 35,491 you can see here. So it took the exact reversal at 35,500. So to go in the upper side, definitely it has to cross this 15,500. If it opens gap up on Monday, so you can keep this candle, you can see here, no, 5th Feb candle. You can keep this candle as the reference. So we are exactly closed at the top end of this candle. So what happened on the next day? It opened gap up and it made high and it reversed from there. So we can keep this candle high as one target, that is 36,600. 36,600. This was a very big candle, right? So what we can do is, we'll not keep it that much big. We'll keep it here. 35,977. Can we say it as 36,000? Yes, we can say as 36,000. is a major level to watch out. So 36,000. Right, alright. This one you can make it as 36,500. But it will not go that easily. Maybe it will take a complete week, or next week it may go. So for this week we can keep this high as our first target. Downside, this candle down, low of this candle 34,900, 34,900, and below that, keep it here, 34,500, 550. So 34,550, 34,900. So we are exactly at 35,360. So above that it will be 34,900 and 36,000. Then 36,500. I think this will be the range it will be trading in this week. And downside we can keep one more level also, 34,000. That should be okay for this week. And I'll be giving a few stocks to trade. Tomorrow will be a very good trending day according to me. You can keep it in watch list. HDFC Bank. So upper side it will be 1522 and 1529. Lower side it will be 1507 or 1499 will be the support levels. Second stock is Tech Mahindra in IT. So we are here at 1089. So if it cross, it may take reversal at 1092 also. If it crosses that 1102, then 1112. If it is big, you can keep the 50% of this also. And the downside 1076, low of this candle, and then 1063. HDFC Life. So HDFC Life, we are here at 725. So this week candle opening, that is 722, then 719, 715 and 712 will be downside targets. Upside it will be 728, 732, 735 and 738. When the market is in bullish mode, try to buy the stocks. Go in a long side position. Take the long side positions. Tata Motors 339. Upside it will be 343 and 346. Downside it will be 336 and 332. Jindal Steel. We are at 395. Upside it will be 401 and 407. Downside it will be 390 and 384. Tomorrow I think it will be a very good trending day. I think most of the stocks will be in trending mode. You can take any good stocks, blue chip stocks to trade also. And I have made an educational video for how to trade in the stocks and all, VWAP and pivot. That video you can refer how to trade. It will be very easy for you. I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please stay connected. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. Like this video, share this video, press the bell icon. Thank you.